All right, MC with Tech, and here's a video. This time we're going to do a video about Samsung DeX and the functions of Samsung DeX to give you a desktop experience while using your tablet or your phone. Or you can use a TV monitor or a computer monitor. And this is the functionality of DeX. You can open up DeX and have it view it on your monitor. And if you have your tablet, you can use it inside the tablet with the keyboard. And that is the functionality of DeX. So what you would do is hit two buttons on the tablet to open up DeX, and then it will open up on your tablet. But if you wanted to have it open on your computer monitor or your TV, what you will have to do is go into the settings, and as you open up the settings, hit DeX. It will open up and follow the directions to open up DeX onto your monitor and transfer the viewing angle to your monitor. And like I said, it works as a desktop feature. This is not to replace your laptop or your computer, but it does give you the functionality as if you were on your laptop or your computer. And that's what I like about DeX. Samsung has done an excellent job. You can open multiple windows and get the desktop experience as if you were using your computer. You can have your apps, and it is on an Android system, so you have to understand this is not the platform of like a computer, but this is on an Android system, and it's going to give you a lot of functions, but not like you were on your computer or your laptop. So be in mind and be aware that you are working from an Android feature app, and it's going to open up as such. But it gives you a lot of functions. You can do all the functions you would do as far as printing, as far as viewing your multiple windows, and you're going to enjoy it. I enjoy it, so this is how I use my DeX. So I am trying to become a YouTube content creator, and as I do my videos, I edit them with Power Director. I send it over to my tablet, and once I get everything edited, what I do is I open up my DeX on my Samsung tablet, and I produce the video. Now I'm not going to go through that in the video, but that is what I do. And you get multiple windows you can open up. You got a lot of apps that you can use to help you produce your videos. And so this is some of the things I do when I use DeX. And like I said, with DeX, you're going to get a lot of experiences. You know, like I said, multiple windows you can open up. You can multitask, and that's what DeX gives you as far as the functionality of it. And I find it enjoyable. I think Samsung has done an excellent job in order to get you as close as they could with a computer-like experience using your tablet or using your phone. You can also use your phone as a trackpad or the tablet. I'm going to show you in the video where you can use your tablet as a trackpad, and it'll show you how you can control the mouse and get the experiences that you were trying to get with a regular mouse or trackpad, and you're going to like that. And one thing you can also do that I do is I use a mouse and a Bluetooth receiver. I use my S Pen, that helps, and also what it's going to give you is a capability of like using the computer when producing the video. And so that's why I use my mouse and point out everything I need to point to, and it's accurate. And so I don't have to touch the screen all the time. And sometimes you can have a lot of miscues by just touching the screen. And so the S Pen helps, and being able to use a mouse on the tablet, that helps. And so like I said, it gives you that great experience. So what you're going to be able to do is take this Bluetooth receiver and plug it into your Type-C connection, and you're going to be able to have a function with this mouse. And this mouse will allow you to control the arrow just as if you were on your computer or your laptop. And that's the functionality that Samsung has integrated into the DeX function. And I like that. And so with that being said, you just got to follow the video and go over some of the things I'm going to show you. So when you enter into DeX, you'll be able to have a desktop functionality. So what it's going to do is it's going to create a window that's going to look just like this, and you'll be able to use this as the trackpad to actually control and use an external monitor other than the tablet to control DeX. And you'll be able to use it and guide it through everything to control everything. That's what I love about Samsung and the integration they've done with DeX is it gives you this computer-like function. No, it's not a computer. Once again, I'm going to say this is not a computer. This is not like your laptop or your computer, but it gives you functionality like that. And you'll be able to can use it as a mouse, this device as a mouse to control the mouse on your monitor. And as you can see in the video, you're going to be able to control everything you need to control. DeX is an alternative to having a tablet and taking it with you. It's smaller, more compact, and you can fit it in your bag and you can take it with you, and it gives you that functionality just as if you were carrying your laptop with you, but you're using your tablet to do the function. So that's what I love about it. And like I said, when you use other tablets, it doesn't have this function. You know, if you had an iPad or you had a different tablet, you know, it's not going to have that DeX function like Samsung has on it. And that's what I like about it. Like I said, I use this to produce my videos, DeX, and I edit everything on the tablet, open up DeX, and I produce it through DeX. That way I can really sit down and get the functionality and multitask by opening up multiple windows and get the job done. And it doesn't slow down. Now, I'm not going to recommend you open up more than 5 windows because then it starts to glitch a little bit. But you can open up to 5 windows. But more than 5 windows, I have noticed a little bit of a glitch. But without opening up to 5 windows, it has worked perfect for me. And so that's why I like it. And I use that function to multitask in order to get everything done and produced through my YouTube channel for my YouTube channel. And it's working out right for me. Now, some of the drawbacks about using DeX. Now, some of the drawbacks is, like I said, if you open up, to me, more than 5 windows, it kind of slows down for you. You get a little glitchy. But if you keep it under that, 5 windows, then it works pretty good. And so another thing is, like I said, you don't have a laptop or a computer. So like me, I don't have those devices. So I have to use DeX. And I have noticed that, sometimes you can get a little lag or something from, sometimes I know you can get a little laggy from DeX. So like I said, I'm not going to say it's perfect, but it does work. And what you have to do is use the tools that you have. And DeX gives you an opportunity to use a tool that you have. Like I said, if you can't afford a computer and you have a Samsung device, you can use DeX. You can use your phone or your tablet, and you can open up DeX on an exterior monitor. You can open it up on a regular computer monitor you can buy somewhere for $50, $40, and you can use DeX on your phone. And you can do and use that as a desktop experience to open up and edit your films, edit your pictures, just go through and surf the internet if that's what you want to do, and open up multiple windows. You can multitask through your phone. Like I said, it gives you a lot of opportunities, and in the video you'll see. Use it for what you need it for, and use the experience to make your device even greater. Because like I said, there's nothing else you can do better than taking what you have and making it work. And that's what DeX gives you the opportunity to do. Like I said, I could have bought a computer. I could have bought a laptop, but I decided I wanted to buy a tablet that has multiple functions. When I first bought this tablet a couple years ago and found out it had DeX on it and found out I can use my phone the same way, I said, hey, I want that. That's what I want. Something I can multitask on and I can use in multiple functions. And that is what DeX gives you. And the only person that can give that to you is Samsung. So Samsung is giving you this desktop experience like you would on your laptop or your computer, and is making it work through the Android system. So with that being said, MC with Tech, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get it going. And let me give you these tools to use in your life to make it a lot easier and to give you the function that Samsung is giving to everybody and producing. Yes, you have multiple companies out there that do similar things, but not like this. Let's go. MC with Tech.